A blessed morning, everyone. Good morning, Monday morning. So we're here, no? Nasa labas kami with these two little ones. So, medyo maaga ko silang binaba today kasi I'm going somewhere. So, meron akong lakarin na something. Kaya maaga kami bumaba. So, yan. So, spring is coming. And yan, magsa-summer na kami. Though a little bit cold till now, pero hindi na katulad ng dati. So, I'm gonna show you guys. Ayan, nag-start na ano, na nawawalan na naman ng ano, nawawalan naman ng tawag dyan ng dahon yung mga trees as what I vlog last year. Yan, grabe. Hola, buenos dias. Ayan. So, medyo blurred yung ating ano. Kasi, yan guys, medyo blurred. Ayan. Yung ano, nakikita mga asal, of course, ano yan eh. Tawag dyan. Sky. Yan. So, this is it. Sobrang ano, the first, grabe ano. So that little one there, hey, nos vamos, vámonos Byron. There he is again, sitting down. Let's go, baby. Byron, muy bien. So ayun naman maglakad kasi we have this. Ayan guys, so I'm gonna share that this coming July we're going home. See you Philippines. So I have to take a rest, more and more rest kasi kailangan ko. So kailangan ko ng fresh ambience. Yun, kailangan ko yan, and that's it. So we're going home to our alma mater. Parang we're just only graduated last year, no? Alma mater. So that's it. So we're going home. Hopefully everything will be okay. Yung na-share ko lang guys, grabe sobrang mahal ng ticket. Grabe, sobrang mahal ng ticket. Which is supposedly is before is just only 800 or 700 euros, but now yung pinakamura is 1,200 euros. So sabihin natin, ang inano namin is yung plane is 1,300. Just imagine, sa 1,300 na yan, or ganyan, sa 1,300, let's say, sabihin na natin na 1,300. So, 1,300, it's almost 80,000 to, or malapit na sa ano. So sabihin nila natin 180,000. Sabihin nila natin 80,000 or ano, mga ganun, mga 80,000. Just imagine, no? Napakamahal, sobrang mahal ng ticket, guys. So dalawa kami. So kami 26. So 160,000, no? Minsan parang nakakaanong umuwi instead na iuwi mo and then magastos ka ng gano'n ng 160,000. Imaginein mo yun, no? I-ano mo na lang, no? Itulong or something. So, iba pa yun, yung magastos mo doon sa Pilipinas. Doon sabihin na natin na hindi ka naman mag-ano. So, hindi talaga may iwas na gagastos. So, parang sobra, no? Napakasobra, just imagine, no? Na napakasobra na kaya daw parang ano yung parang hindi ko ma-imagine na ganun yung gastos, no? Sa Pilipinas hindi ang pera is mabilis lang. I don't know yet, pero when we were there in Philippines that way back 2017, grabe guys. Hindi ako pala lakwatsa, hindi ako pala alis, but nakapagastos rin tayo ng almost 400 to 500,000. Just imagine, no? Imagine mo, nag-grow kami way back 2017 yon, no? So, medyo nagulat lang ako kasi, nung dumating dito ako sa Spain is umuwi ako after 15 years, so 2017. So, imagine mo yung price. So, nakakagulat na parang yung, alam mo, yung 1,000 euros mo is just only 1 peso. 1,000 pesos mo is just only parang nag-ano siya ng 1 peso lang kasi mag-grocery kami, konti lang, hindi naman totally marami yung nag-grocery mo is gumagastos ako ng 15,000, 20,000, just imagine. So in 1 month magkano yun, diba? Na napakamahal, and then parang ay sobrang anyway, just to stay with the family, no? So kailangan natin yun. And sometimes maraming nagsasabi na ganito, bakit ganyan, na parang bakit tumatagal tayong mga OFW sa ibang bansa, ganito, ganyan, na parang walang ganang umuwi. It's because sa pamasahe pa lang, and then before pa ako, halimbawa ngayon, before ako uuwi is kailangan ko muna mag-package. So how much I'm going to use or I'm going to spend money through package, diba? So, kailangan ko din mag-package, na kailangan din na maglagay ka ng mga something doon na para hindi mo nabibili sa Pilipinas, which is barato. Mas mura dito. Anyway, kahit mag-box ka, kung anong mailagay mo doon, ganun din siguro ang gagastusin mo, or mas makales ka pag nag-grocery ka sa Pilipinas. That's it. So, talagang, Byron, ¿qué pasa? Buenos días. Hola, amor. ¿Por qué ladra? Bebé? Bebé. 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 Ay, nagpapapansin. Bebé. ¿Dónde está mi bebé? Aquí está mi bebé. Hola, bebé. So, diba? So, nagpapansin yung aking bebe. Nagpapansin yung aking baby. Basang-basa ka na naman. Yan. Dali lang. And then, tapusin ko lang to. Bale? And then, we will go. So, yan. So, napaka very pricey. Diba? Very expensive pricey ito, no? Lahat. Nag-Spanish ako. Lahat. So, that's it. So, I'm just hoping that everything will be okay, na hindi tayo ma-short. Anyway, this is not really a plan. This is not really a plan that I'm going this year, no? So, supposedly I have to go the next year, no? But, in-advise kasi ako ng doctor na I have to rest talaga. So, that's it. Ang pinakamatindi pa guys na nangyayari is yung aming biyahe is 24 hours kami na nasa plane. Just imagine, 24 oras. Para kaming mag-news nito. 24 oras kami na nasa plane. So, we're going to spend our 24 hours sa flight lang. O, diba? Ano mo yun? Imagine mo, and then you're going to get another ticket. Ganito, ganyan. So, punta ka sa province where we live, or where are going to live. So, how much money we are going to spend on our vacation days. Sometimes, meron pang napag-uwi mo daw na sabi na, how are you, or something, or pasalubong, yun ang unang i-impact sa'yo. But anyway, I don't care. No, I don't care what they're going to say. The most important for me is makapag-rest ako. Yun lang. Yun lang talaga. And, na-share ko lang na talagang very pricey, guys. Super duper pricey ang pag-uwi natin sa Pilipinas. Sobra. Talaga. Parang hindi katanggap-tama yung ang price ng ticket. Grabe. So, I don't know what will happen. And then, just praying, guys, na I'm asking Ursel prayer na sana yung pag-uwi ko I'm going will be okay, and of course yung sana na makarecover ako on what I have, sa aking health. Sana ma-recover ko lahat to. And yan, ano pa ba? Yun lang. And of course, Angeline, gusto rin ni Angeline na mak-experience ng beach sa Pilipinas. So, that's it. Kaya, yan, nag-decide ako, okay, let's go home. Doon na wala tayong bahay doon. That's it. And then, ayan, lininisan ko yung aking baby. Kasi, akyat na kami. Come here. Vamos. Titingnan niya ako. Vamos sa casa. Yun guys, sana. Just asking, yun lang. Just asking guys. Just asking your prayers naman na makarecover na ako. Gusto ko nang maging normal life. Gusto ko nang total recovery, maging normal yung life ko, na maging I will be black knight, as in black knight like before, active, hindi napapagod masyado, yung kahit anong gawin, no, kung saan nakakarating. But now kasi guys, allergy, no? But now kasi very limited yung aking talaga. Wait. So yun guys, just pray for me. Yun, I'm asking your prayer and love and prayer for my fast recovery. And of course, I'm gonna leave these 2 little ones I have. Mamimiss namin to for almost 1 month. 1 month namin silang iwanan. So, we're going to miss them. Lalo na si Angeline for his little ones there. So, that's it. Ayan, thank you so much guys. And of course, just watch it. Na-open ko lang. We're leaving. We're going to have our vacation days sa Philippines. Hopefully, everything will be okay. And of course, thank you so much for having you always on our vlog, on our simple vlog, on my board vlog. Heartedly appreciated. Thank you so much, and see you on our next vlog. Love. So, mag-end pa na. So, July pa naman. So, I have 4 months left. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Love. Can you say bye? Bye. Byron. Here's premio. Byron. Lord. Byron. Nabibili sila doon kasi parating isang friend namin na dog. Kaya doon sila nakatingin. Bye love. Bye guys. Love. Mwah. Thank you. See you. Love. Bye.